The Matrix is a computer-generated dream world, built to keep us under control in order to change a human being into this.
No. I don't believe it. It's not possible.
I didn't say it would be easy, Neo. I just said it would be the truth.
Stop. Let me out. Let me out. I want.
Well, it seems like TP1 is about to get hit. Oops, focus. I'm up for now. I don't know, you can't really see it, but right now I am up $3,800. And it just hit TP1, so now that's half. Now I gotta move stop back to break even. The question is, should I take it now? I'm not going to, because I gotta stay disciplined, but like, that's just what the mind is saying. Should I take it? Should I take it right now? Cause we are up a lot. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, if this trade actually hits, I'm gonna pass the funded account. Like, I'm literally gonna pass the funded if this trade hits my second TP. Not even that. If we just a few more ticks and I pass the funded. Like, just a few more ticks and I pass the funded. But still, I can't really be too happy yet because the move is still in play. I don't want to let my emotions run wild and run loose and, you know, do something that I guess I would regret, you know, or, you know, feel something that I shouldn't be feeling. But to be honest, I feel like if we do end up hitting the 9K mark, I think I'm gonna take it, you know, if we end up reaching the 9K mark. It's only 1,000 away, so only a few more ticks. So let's see if it hits it. Let's see if it doesn't. I'll update you guys in a minute and see what ends up happening, whether did the stop hit break even or I got out because I passed the funded. Let's see. Well, because of this song, I keep getting copyrighted, so I guess you guys are gonna have to deal with me. Let the sky fall, let it crumble, we will stand tall. Okay, so I believe that here on this move, we may get it. Almost. This candle would do it. Okay, and I'm out. There you go, past the fucking funded account. There you fucking go. There's no way, bro. This shit. And that is it. Past the fucking funded. Man, you don't understand, bro. You don't understand. But again, I feel like I accomplished something, but wait, hold on. Again, I feel like I accomplished something, but I haven't accomplished anything yet. Because regardless that yes, I passed it, it was because of amazing price action. But again, I can't really be truly happy, because sure I passed it, but sure I could still blow it, you know? So I gotta stay disciplined. So I just gotta keep it going and see how it goes. But yeah, I basically passed it. I passed it, and that's it. I'm done. Well, done for the day, but let's see what ends up happening tomorrow. You can imagine there's some bullshit and then they tell me that I didn't pass it. And you know how it goes. You know how it goes. But well, let's just see what ends up happening. And yeah, most likely I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably do a trade recap before. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Alright, so this is how I passed the funded account today. So basically I made $9,846. So, and the trade took me right around, it was 42 minutes. So what I was looking for was I was looking for my confirmations, right? But for some reason, I'm seeing that lately we've been getting confirmations, like double confirmations in one. So what do I mean by that? Like, so I get double confirmation off of one bias, off of one particular like block or like one particular drawing, whatever you want to call it, right? Drawing. Anyways, so what I was looking for was, I saw that we were coming into this fair value gap right here, right? While also breaking structure to the upside, right? We also broke structure right here. So that told me, okay, so that could be double confirmation. I was just in case I was looking for some upside, right? I was looking for some upside. And I was like, okay, if potentially we can go up, then we will want to target these highs and then these highs up here, right? If we continue this bullish structure, we come into this fair value gap and we continue going higher. But we didn't. And I was like, okay, the only way that I can actually like take this trade, right? This trade off of a double confirmation in one, let's just call it that, double confirmation in one, was if this break of structure got broken off of, right? So, and we did here on the 5-minute time frame, and not even on the 5-minute, but my criteria is telling me 1 minute, and then I got in on the 1-minute time frame, right? How I always do. I always get my entries on the 1 minute. Most times I always get my entries on the 1 minute. Most times. I'm not going to say all the time. And I ended up taking this trade. This was a draw on liquidity down here, but I actually decided to go off of that 4-hour draw on liquidity like yesterday, right? Instead of going off of like lower resistance draws on liquidity, because that's what happened to me yesterday. I took the trade and it did hit TP1, but it was a low draw, like a low probability, like low draw on liquidity. Like it was a lower time frame draw on liquidity, and it wasn't really like a 4-hour, or more like it was not a impactful draw on liquidity. So I guess you could say I back tested yesterday, and I understood that the reason why I kind of got stopped out yesterday off of that trade, I got stopped out at break even, was because of that being a low resistance draw on liquidity. So I actually decided to go off of high resistance draws on liquidity today off of the 4-hour. So that allowed me to just get this fucking monstrous move, right? Here on the 4-hour, going in on a 1-minute entry, right? And yeah, basically that's pretty much it. It was pretty easy today. These past few days has been fucking, market's just been nuts, right? So, and I'm actually glad that I'm playing it the way that I am, because normally I would be looking for I would be looking for like my criterias one by one instead of like stacking them up. But right now I'm kind of like stacking up my criteria. So stacking up like for value gaps, stacking up break of structures, stacking up, you know, all these things, which makes me get like the entries and makes me get the again the entries met, which allows me to catch trades like this. At least, well, I wouldn't say that allows me to get these trades like this. Why? Because again, because of tier of news, you know what's going on. So that's kind of the reason why I believe I passed the account, because this movement is just absolutely fucking insane, right? Hopefully this shit keeps going. But this shit is absolutely fucking insane. So again, that's pretty much it. That's basically what I was looking for. Those were my criterias. That was the trade I took today. So yeah, there's really nothing more. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. There is another trade to be taken. Peace.
Matrix is a system, Neo. That system is our enemy. But when you're inside, you look around, what do you see? Businessmen, teachers, lawyers, carpenters, the very minds of the people we are trying to save. But until we do, these people are still a part of that system, and that makes them our enemy. You have to understand, most of these people are not ready to be unplugged. And many of them are so inured, so hopelessly dependent on the system, that they will fight to protect it.